circle. Ready? For circle, stand straight, pataka hasta, thumb join. 1, 2, 3, 3. Lift your leg. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Sania, put your leg closer to you. Don't try to cover big space. Then it doesn't look good. Take smaller steps so that you don't have to bend so much here and there. Okay, your body should be straight while dancing. Come on, once again. 1, stand straight. Straight, Sahana. 1, 2, 3. 3. Sania, you are not paying attention here. What is this extra movement? Tai. Heart, straight hand goes up and straight it comes down. It's not going down like this. Shreya and Sahana, are you seeing this? It's up and down. You have to stop it somewhere. It's not just leaving your hand like this. Sania, are you listening? How is it? Tai, heart. Did I do like this? Your hand is like this, right? You just have to take it up, up.
Like this?
Up, this hand also, just a minute. This hand also. And then down. That's it, you have to stop somewhere. Yes. Do it neatly. Come on. 1, stand straight. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Up, 3, 3. Not there at all. There is no movement like this. Tai, heart, up and down. There is no going below this level. Your hand is not going down below your wrist. It's this level and going up and then stopping there. Okay? Come on, ready? 1. And Sahana, you standing like this. Straight, okay? 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. Lift your leg. See your hands, Sania. It's not coming out well. Second speed. Good job. Stop somewhere. 3. Good job, Shreya. Did you find any difference in dancing like this and stopping it? Yes or no? It's the same. It's the same, but still I wanted to do it like this. Okay, no going down. Huh? No, your hand was going from down and then taking up and then going down. I don't want you to keep your hand below your this level. Sania? Okay? Now, next. Second circle adamu. Yes.
That's fourth one.
What is second one? Yes. What is that? Coming in front. Come on, ready? 1 hand up, left hand up. 1, 2, 3, chest level hands. Chest level. Stomach level is wrong. It should be chest level. Okay. Tai, ha, tai, he. You didn't see what I did right now, Sania. Tai, ha, tai, he. It's chest level. It's not going down here. Okay. Up. Ready? One. Go back once again. One. And this hand is not resting on your head. It should be up. Then only it's going to look good. Look here. Is this looking good? Or this is looking good? What is looking good?
This.
Up, right? So try to look beautiful. Keep your hand up. One. Stand straight. One. Stand straight, Sahana. One. Two. Three. Up. Three. 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 Left. Three. Now right. Three. Up. Chest level. Hands, Sahana and Sahana both. Second speed. Three. Up. Three. 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 Up. Three. 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 Up. Three. Chest level. Hand. Three. Up. Why are you doing all of that right there? Go back. Show it to me. Ready? One. Stand straight. Nicely. Hand up. Up. Little bit of bend. That's it. Yes. And this is not sleeping. It's up. One. Two. Which leg will you start with? Go back. One. Turn. Turn. Two. Three. Up. Three. 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 After right, what do you do?
Left.
Then do it. Go back. One. Hand up. 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 And this is up and go. One. Two. Three. Up. Three. Three. Left. Up. Three. Three. Right. Up. Three. Three. Left. Up. Three. Three. Go back.